you're not going to go to ecosystem attribution right off the bat. You need to start somewhere. A lot of companies start with either first touch or last touch attribution. And what that means is that you're going to measuring attribute based on the first touch you measure or the last touch you measure. Maybe the first touch it was marketing. Like there was a customer that came to your website and you measure that. Or there was a customer that came to your webinar, you measure that. Or they downloaded your white paper. Or you measure the last touch, which is maybe the deal registration came in through a partner. You're going to start somewhere. But then eventually you have to start measuring other touch points around, hey, if the customer came to the webinar, how did the customer find themselves coming to a webinar? Was it a partner that brought them? Maybe it was another partner that shared a white paper first that attracted the attention of the customer. And then you start measuring all those touch points. But you need the right tools to measure that so that you can move from first or last touch attribution to multi-touch attribution. As you gather intelligence and as you gather data throughout the history of that multi-touch attribution, you move from a linear standpoint to putting different weights to each element, where you can move into more of a W-shaped attribution, that some touch points are more valuable than others. And so you put more weight into, I don't know, downloading a white paper than just attending a webinar. Or deal registration is much more valuable than attending a live event or things like that, to eventually moving into full ecosystem blown attribution, right? But it's a journey. It's a journey of knowing what you want to measure, of having the tools to measure all those standpoints, and then building the clean historicals, clean data to ensure that you can put the right weightings to the right touch points that then lead you to this.